Only takes, right?
Yes.
Okay. You ready?
La 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 la.
We see. Wow. Your handwriting is very nice. I like it.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Dada.
So funny voice, man.
Finish one.
You know how much price this book?
Only 400 taka.
400. Oh, nice. Twenty is last text, okay? Hmm?
Yes.
Because I will go to home.
Okay.
Which country we are from?
Bangladesh.
Yes. Why? Why we are speak English?
Because it's my favorite language.
Yeah. This is
At first Bangla and second English language. Bangla is my motherland.
you know why I speak English? Ask me.
Why?
Because
Speak.
English is international language.
Yes.
That's why I learn and speak English. I'm not good. Sorry, I'm not good in English, but I will try every time, every second, and every moment. Inshallah, one day I will success.
Inshallah.
Pray for me, okay?
Sure. Done. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, most welcome.